shovel, spade, trowel, rake, hoe, garden fork, pruning shears, loppers, hedge trimmers, lawn mower, wheelbarrow, weed puller, garden scissors, watering can, hose, sprinkler, digging fork, garden knife, hand cultivator, garden gloves, planting lever, seed tray, garden kneeler, compost bin, fertilizer spreader, mulch fork, edging tool, leaf blower, garden hoe, lawn edger, garden sprayer, pruning saw, garden twine, post hole digger, soil test kit, soil scoop, lawn aerator, tree pruner, root cutter, seed sower, garden trolley, plant levels, hand rake, bush cutter, hand weeder, hedge clipper, garden spade, grower, seed spreader, pruning hook, post driver, bamboo stakes, lawn roller, plant support rings, hose reel, irrigation timer, raised bed planter, trellis, greenhouse, garden knitting, watering wand, lawn trimmer, garden cloche, plant pot, insect netting, shredding tool, garden scraper, root hoe, compost turner, weed eater, garden seed, topiary shears, garden sickle, planting fork, grass shears, root saw, mulching mower, plotting bench, leaf rake, lawn sweeper, garden cart, tree stump grinder, patio weeder, flower pot saucer, cultivator, pick, axe, auger, bulb planter, tiller, tailor's sprayer,